Dang, why does this
Bro, y'all
voice
some
changer
slowpoke.
sound like
Come on,
I'm a
boy.
girl? But
We're playing
just
Delgado.
go with it.
Hey, yeah, get that stretch. He's on my nuts. He's. Hey! You know I got locked
This
back there. I
voice
just whip it
changer
out.
is very, very
Oh no.
like,
I'm down for getting triangle.
bro, I get hypnotic every time I work out my standards.
Yes!
So nothing is going flip-flop and going this way or like this. So you guys stay in after. Move, you big fat monkey!
Yeah!
Oh, the bad kid.
Yeah! Look at you! Idiot. Yeah, get up, yes. You was the one I was fighting, right? Yeah. You did that. On my life, you did that. On my life, you did that. You did that, huh? Nah, come here. Nah, come here, bro. Where you going? Look at you, boy. Come here, come here. Come here. Boy. This looks so goofy.
Oh, that was smooth though.
Oh my god, they're out again. Congratulations. You made it further than
I
most.
don't need
Okay. Y'all just want to skip everything because you played it before, but I haven't. So that's kind of. Yo, stop pushing me.
Why I'm sorry.
Why y'all just standing on this?
That's
Do we
why I
need it?
don't face review, but this is like my face review.
All my stuff. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Ow.
I'm a kid.
Drink up.
I'm just kidding.
That's soda.
I'm not sorry.
Ew.
And
I want
let me
more.
join her really quick.
More, sir, more. Sir. You're gonna listen to me when I want more.
I don't have a
Oh, we
life.
got a bottle. Lights out. Trust nobody. Use your bottle if you happen to stay alive. Come try to get me. I'm standing all here
What's
furious.
that?
Yeah. Come get me if you want to. Yeah. Yeah, now come here if you want it. Come here if you want the smoke. Come here if you want it. I'm not like we can do it. Look at them fighting in the middle. We got some more balls. Oh no, they're making truths. Yo, is nobody gonna do nothing? Am I gonna have to pursue? What do I do with the bottle though? I just throw it? Oh, I see.
Why are you England?
Now come here. Oh, almost half. Oh my god, he's coming for me. All my life I hate this game. That didn't make any sense. Why not? Hell yeah! Who just pushed me? On my life I'm getting you back. On my life I'm getting you back. On my life I'm getting you back. Yeah, this guy pushed me right here. On my life I'm getting you back. Yo, my fault, game. You know what it is? I didn't do this. You know what I'm missing? Smelling salts. I need my brain to lock in, yo kid. Listen to that. Yeah, that went to the brain. Guys, if you don't know what it's for instant energy and mental clarity. I know it's so blurry, you probably can't see it. But that's